For sake of health I took a walk one day at early dawn. I met a jolly turfman as I slowly walked along. The greatest conversation passed between that man and me, when first I got acquainted with the turfman from Ardee. Now we chatted very freely as we walked along the road. Said he, my ass is tired, but I've got to sell my load, for I've had no refreshment since I left home, you see, and I'm wearied, sir, with travelling, said the turfman from Ardee. He says, my man, I'd have you know this ass is very old. It must be 40 summers since that animal was foaled. The harness that is on its back was made by John McGee. Sure, he's dead this 44 years, said the turfman from Ardee. But I must not abuse my ass with this old hazel rod. I scarcely can recall the day when last poor Jack was shod. He was young to a cart in December 43, when I cantered for the midwife, said the turfman from Ardee. It was then I heard a female voice that I knew very well, politely asking this our man his load of turf to sell. I shook that steely hand of his and bowed respectfully. Sure, I hope we'll meet in future days, the turfman from Ardee.